Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how to create a decision table using Software Ideas Modeler. We'll walk through adding conditions, defining actions, and setting up rules, all essential steps for modeling complex decision logic. So let's dive right in. First, let's create a new decision table diagram. Navigate to the Project tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Within the Content group, click on Add New Diagram. A dialog box appears. On the left side, you'll see a list of diagram categories. Scroll down and select Other. On the right, choose Decision Table from the list of diagram types. At the bottom, in the name box, type Customer Benefits. Once that's done, click OK. Now let's add some conditions to our decision table. At the top of the screen, find and click the Add Condition button. This opens the condition dialog. For our first condition, type Is the customer a premium member into the name field. The default type is Yes/No, which is perfect for this condition, so we don't need to change anything else. Click OK. You'll see the condition added to your table. Let's add another condition. Click Add Condition again. In the name box, type Total Purchase Amount. Now, change the condition type to Number by selecting it from various radio buttons. This allows us to use numerical values for this condition. Click OK. For our third condition, click Add Condition once more. Type Preferred Free Sample in the name box. Change the condition type to Custom Choice. A text area appears below where we can specify our choices. Enter the following options, one per line: apple, banana, and cherry. Click OK to add the condition. With our conditions set, it's time to define the actions. Click the Add Action button in the top toolbar. In the name field, type Apply 15% discount and click OK. Repeat this process to add two more actions: Offer free shipping and Add preferred free sample to cart. Now that we have our conditions and actions, let's specify the rules. Click the Add Rule button 3 times to add 3 rules to our decision table. Let's configure the first rule. Under Is the customer a premium member? Check the box to indicate Yes. For total purchase amount, enter 100 and select the great or equal operator from the drop-down. Under Preferred Free Sample, select Apple from the drop-down menu. Now check all the actions for this rule. Apply 15% discount, offer free shipping, and add preferred free sample to cart. For the second rule, let's say the customer is not a premium member, but their total purchase amount is greater than or equal to 200. And they prefer a banana. We check the actions Offer free shipping and Add preferred free sample to cart. For the third rule, the customer is not a premium member, their total purchase amount is less than 100, and they prefer cherry. Check only the action Add preferred free sample to cart. Great job! Our decision table is now fully configured. What can we do next? You can export the decision table to a CSV file by clicking on Export in the toolbar, or you can print it directly from the application. Additionally, you can switch to the diagram view to adjust the visual aspects of your decision table. Click on the Diagram tab at the bottom of the workspace. In this view, you can resize the table and customize its style. If you'd like to export the decision table as an image, right-click on the diagram canvas and select Export Diagram. You can choose from various image formats to save your diagram. And there you have it, a complete decision table created in Software Ideas Modeler. This tool makes it straightforward to model complex decision logic with ease. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more software modeling tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy modeling.